Hello! For this recipe, we will need a pork loin and we will marinate it with salt, garlic powder, and pepper. We're gonna cut it into big rings, like as you wish, and then we're gonna mix all together and let it marinate for at least 4 to 5 hours, or maybe over the night will also work at best. So we will also need some green tomatillos or tomatillos verdes, Mexican tomatillos. We're gonna peel them and we're gonna boil until they change their color. Have a look. Additionally, we will need some pumpkin seeds, some fresh oregano, garlic, spring onion, and onion. We're gonna chop all small and saute. We add at the end our fresh oregano just to avoid to burn it. And we add our boiled tomatillos. We're gonna mix all together and place into the blender and blend it. Have a look. So now we are gonna sear in the same pan we did the veggies, and we're gonna sear our pork loin and we are gonna reserve it. After the loin was seared, we add some oil and we stir fry a little bit our sauce. Now we have to add some salt. Remember, we just add a little bit salt to the pork loin. And we are gonna add some chili. I didn't have any chili, fresh chili, and now I'm using an habanero sauce, which is very tasty. I got it for a friend of mine. So mix all together and taste it salt and spicy. You can still add some salt or more spicy if you want to. At this point, we put back our pre-seared pork loin and we are gonna let it cook and integrate all together, that the meat takes the flavor of the sauce and the sauce also cook with the meat all together, and have a look how it looks like. Look at this sauce and all the meat, and this is just a matter of time that it's ready, just a little bit more, and it's just need some white rice and enjoy it. Remember, if you like the channel, give your like, comment, and subscribe for new and for all other recipes I have. Thank you. Now is a good time. Let's try this. Now is the funny time. Let's try this. Bello.